Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken stock with chicken thighs. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 pounds of chicken thighs, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 onion, and a few sprigs of fresh herbs like parsley and thyme. Roughly chop your vegetables. Precision isn't necessary here. Place everything into a large stock pot or slow cooker, ready for the next step. Now, cover all your ingredients with cold water, making sure everything is fully submerged. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and about 10 whole black peppercorns to the pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Once it starts to bubble, reduce the heat to low, allowing it to cook slowly and develop rich flavors.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy cooking tips. On another note, just like you wouldn't settle for bland stock, why settle for cheap socks? Life's too short. Check out Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Let your stock simmer gently for at least 2 to 3 hours. For an even richer flavor, you can let it go for up to 4 or 5 hours. During this time, occasionally skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface using a ladle or a fine mesh sieve. This step helps keep your stock clear and clean, enhancing its overall quality. Once your stock has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl or container. Discard all the solids. The chicken and vegetables have given all their goodness to the liquid. Allow the stock to cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to the refrigerator or freezer for later use. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.